Hi, in this video I want to show you a very simple trick in Claude that can save you hours of time, and this will be especially useful if you work with data visualization. So I am in Claude app now. You can do it with Claude desktop app or you can do it in Claude web. And what I want to do is I want to upload a file here. This is Titanic.csv, so this data contains different data about passengers in Titanic. And first let me ask Claude what is inside. I can see that inside this CSV there is data about almost 900 passengers with their IDs, whether they have survived or not, passenger class, name, sex, age, and some other features. And now what I can do inside Claude, so you don't need any extensions or anything, you can just ask visualize the survival rate depending on different stats. Let's run it. You can see that it generated this HTML and I can see all the data. So I have passengers, survived, died, overall rate, and we can see like sex, that female had survival rate is way higher than male. We have class, so first class passengers survival rate is higher. Age, again you can see that kids were saved more often than the elderly people. Embarked, family, sex and class. I think this itself is very powerful. Now imagine that you can work not with just like data like a CSV, but if you have some connectors. If I go to customize and click connect your apps, then I can see which apps I can connect. And I have Tick app connected here. So you see Tick is my to-do list. And what I can do now is I can go to Claude and I can make sure in connectors that Tick is turned on. And now I can ask Claude, visualize my task performance in Tick in the last 2 months by days. One chart, how many tasks per day I do, don't mention projects or tasks name, and let's run it. You see that Claude is now connecting to Tick. By the way, it's interesting that under the hood, Claude is generating some Python code and runs this Python code. You don't need to know Python, obviously, to make it work, but it's just how complicated the thing inside the chat now is. So it's not just like generates tokens. It can also generate tokens like in Python, execute this Python script in order to analyze some data and then do something with the output of running Python script. All right, and now we see this HTML, so we can see the chart day by day and how many tasks I do. Looks like beginning of June, maximum tasks. And we can see different statistics here as well. Now you can ask to turn this data into some PDF if you want to have some report. And you can think of more powerful ways of how you can use this visualization. For example, if you have data in docx or in spreadsheets, or maybe you have a team in GitHub doing some commits and pull requests, now you can connect it to Claude and ask Claude to do visualization for you.